Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, remember to click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and leave a comment down below. Today we are going to be doing a Amazon haul, Sublimation 101 edition, the intro to sublimation. So recently I've been getting into print on demand and designing my own graphics for apparel and accessories and things like that. And I realized if I were to buy my own things and I wanted to sport every design that I have, that it would cost me a buttload of money versus me just trying to make it myself. And after doing more research, I got into sublimation. For those of you that don't know, sublimation is where you use a special ink that you print on a paper and heat press into polyester items, which turns the ink into vapor when you heat it up to a certain degree, and then it bonds chemically and I don't know, it just bonds to the polyester and it's there permanently, and no matter how many times you wash it or anything, it lasts forever. So I've tried heat transfer vinyl, and I think I used an iron and it probably wasn't hot enough, so it just fell off in the wash. So I'm looking at alternatives and I'm gonna try out sublimation. So if you're new to sublimation also, give this video a thumbs up or leave a comment down below on your experiences with sublimation. This is everything I bought based on my research that I would need for sublimation. First off, you're going to need a Sublimation Printer, and I bought this Epson, does it say the model number here? Oh, 2760, EcoTank 2760. And the good thing about the EcoTanks is that it's a lot easier to fill up because you just literally pour the ink into the tank and you just pour this special sublimation ink and then you should be good to go. And here I have the ink here it is. Here are the ink bottles. It comes in 4 colors. It's CMYK, which is cyan, yellow, magenta, and K is for black. And you're going to need a lint roller. This is one I already had in the house, but this is very crucial to sublimation. It's very crucial to sublimation because you want to get rid of the manufacturer lint that you can't see, because if you press it without lint rolling it first, it causes apparently blue squiggly lines that are now permanently embedded into your t-shirt, which you cannot get out. So you want to do that. And then I bought heat transfer tape. I bought the Cricut Easy Press 2 because for sublimation you usually need to have at least maximum 400 degrees, which this goes up to. And if I had the room and the space and the vision to be like confident that I'll be safe with a regular heat press, I would definitely buy a regular heat press. But because I'm just starting out, I don't want to spend like $1,000 on a heat press plus my safety and the safety of my child. I figured this would be a lot safer because it has like a little base you can put the heating element on so that he can't touch it or burn himself when I'm not looking, just in case I'm not looking. And also this is a lot cheaper than a heat press, though you can find some cheap like big heat presses on Amazon for about $250 or $300, and this by itself was already like $240. But I figured for the space saving aspect and the fact that I'm just starting out, I'll give this a try. Plus I can also use this on vinyl if I choose to do so. Then you're going to need special sublimation paper. Everyone seems to recommend this A-sub paper. This is 110 sheets. It comes in a really fancy box and sealed plastic on the inside, so that's pretty cool. And then I have a heat pressing mat for my Cricut Easy Press 2. This is not the name brand one, this is a lot cheaper, and according to the reviews it does the same thing, so I did that. So yeah, this is everything that I learned I would need to start sublimating. In my next video I will show you how I turn this Epson 2760 into a sublimation printer. Oops, I forgot to mention that I got this whole roll of butcher paper, and that's because you need to put this on the inside of the shirt and on the top to prevent the ink from going through or onto your heating element. So yeah, that's another necessity you will need. But oh yeah, just for the record, why are Epson printers so hard to find these days? Like the cheaper models are all sold out. Just ever since the whole, pandemic thing, they've been sold out everywhere. I guess it's hard for them to get a restock. I don't know where Epson is made, but I'm guessing overseas, because yeah, this was like $300 plus tax, so it was like $340 kind of. And I was like, man, I was looking for the $199 one and it was sold out everywhere. So yeah, that's still expensive. But if you go for a real, quote unquote, real sublimation printer like the Sawgrass, I did look into that, but it is about double the price. It's about $5 something. And then their inks are more expensive also. And that's because it's a gel-based ink, which supposedly keeps the printer from clogging, the nozzle heads from clogging as frequently, whereas Epson uses water-based dye ink, and that may dry out if you don't print at least every day. So that's something to consider, but for me, since I'm just testing everything and starting out, I figured it was worth just using this. And I did actually want a color printer to make stickers, but I guess I'll just have to buy another one just for, you know, printing colored things with regular ink. So yeah, that is all for this quick little Amazon haul sublimation edition. Leave your comments down below. Let me know like what your experiences are with sublimation and what kind of videos you want to see pertaining to sublimation. So yeah, that's it. I'm hungry. I'm gonna rush through this video because, you know, baby's sleeping. He's about to wake up anytime. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.